How to fix a PlayStation controller that won't connect. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Genie Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you the process on how you can easily fix if your PlayStation controller does not connect with your PlayStation. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, sometimes what generally happens over here is that you might have your PlayStation controller that doesn't really connect. Even if it's turned on, even if you press the PS button, it doesn't connect to your PlayStation console. Now, in that case, what you have to do is you don't need to really open up your PlayStation isn't really damaged, or no, your controller has really something wrong. All you need is simply a data cable. For example, in my case, you can see the USB Type B data cable. You need a data cable that has data transfer capabilities. If it doesn't have data transfer capabilities, you will not be able to fix this issue. So what you have to do is, this kind of error usually happens when you connect your PlayStation to a newer PlayStation and now you want to connect it back to your old PlayStation, but you're not being able to do that. In that case, what you have to do is, first of all, we would need to connect this data cable to our controller right over here. So let me just go ahead and connect it to our controller. Let's say, for example, once you connect it to your controller, the other end you simply want to connect it to your PlayStation. So go ahead and then connect it to your PlayStation. So let me just show you the process as well. So as you can also see that my PlayStation is right over there. Now all we have to do is simply connect this to the other end of our PlayStation. So let me just go ahead and then do that. As soon as you connect your new controller to your PlayStation, now you can press the PS button, and you can see on our PlayStation as well, we will be successfully connected right on this particular screen. You'd be able to see that we have actually successfully connected, and this is how you can fix if your PlayStation controller does not connect. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.